Hi everyone, this is Joan. Today I'm going to teach you about the basic principle of opening. Okay, this is for white. First thing you need to do is you move your pawn to E2 to E4. That one, occupying this, guarding this square in F5 and guarding this square in D5. So what's the best response for the black is E7 to E5. Same thing, guarding this square, guarding this square. The next thing we need to do is we need to develop the bishop, or we need to develop the knight before the bishop. Let's put the knight in knight f3 towards the center, like this one. We're attacking the pawn because this pawn is unguarded. We're guarding this square, guarding this square, guarding this square. That's the reason. So what's the best response for the black here? Best response for the black is knight c6, guarding this pawn, his pawn. And what's the next here? After we develop the knight, better to develop the bishop. Let's bring the bishop to c4. Why the c4? There's a two reason. So after that one, we can do the king safety. Next thing, we're guarding the square, we're guarding the square, we're attacking this pawn in f7, guarding this one and guarding this one. As you can see, our bishop is really active, dynamic. They call dynamic bishop. So what's next here? For the black is need to move the knight to f6, attacking our pawn here in e4. So what we're gonna do? Let's use the pawn to protect our pawn in e4. Here, as you can see here, they're protecting each other. This one is very strong because this pawn is protecting this pawn, and this pawn protecting this pawn, and this queen there or queen is protecting this pawn and protecting that pawn. Very strong. And as you can see, the bishop here can go here, here, and here. So what's next here is the knight response for d3 is bishop to e7. Okay, after that one, I suggest is let's do the king safety the fastest as we can. Okay, after the king safety, your opponent do the king safety too. After that one, we need to develop our knight to c3, guarding the square, guarding the square, guarding the square. See? So what's next here? The knight best response is d6. So after the d6, we need to respond and we need to develop the bishop over here, giving some pressure for the knight. So what's next here? Best response for the black is bishop to g4. Now we start pinning our knight. We can move the knight. Okay, so let's move this one here, attacking the bishop. So what's the best response for the black is capturing the knight. Bishop takes knight, and let's do queen takes bishop, not pawn takes bishop, because if we do the pawn takes bishop, what's happened to our independent? Look at, there's no cover anymore. It's not protected. So the best response here is queen takes bishop, something like that. This is the basic principle of opening. We develop the two bishop in active position. We develop the knight in active position. And now we develop our queen. The second thing is you need to do is we need to develop the rook here towards the center and the rook here towards the center in the next move. Thank you very much. This is Joan.